when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my growing in my apron, I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. This roll of dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Sir, welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So we have right here, we have a pork shoulder. Tonight we're gonna do a nice, delicious root beer pulled pork. So we have our root beer right here. We have our seasoning. We have some white vinegar also. And we have our meat injector. So we're gonna go ahead and measure everything. Measure some of this root beer. So we're gonna go ahead and inject it with some root beer with a little bit of white vinegar. Then we're gonna season it up. We're gonna make it happen right here in this good kitchen. Okay, so here we go right here. We have our white vinegar. We're gonna do 1/4 cup of white vinegar. No, you're not gonna taste no vinegar at all. So you don't have to worry about it. All right, the root beer, we're not gonna measure that. We just gonna mix it with the white vinegar, the root beer. Okay, so now we're just mixing it in. And we're gonna go ahead and transfer everything into our little injector. Okay, so boom, there we go right there. Stick it in there. It's coming out. That's what I like about this. You know, you pump it, but look, it just come right out. Got to pump it a couple times, and boom. Squeeze the little thing right here. And get all that in there. There we go right there. Look, it's still coming out, yeah. Okay, so that's it right there. Don't need to put no more. That's it. Okay, so now we'll give it a nice little seasoning. We'll use some Tony's, no salt. We're not gonna measure the seasoning. We just want to get that seasoning all around. It's good, we don't have to worry about no salt. We're gonna use some dash. Chicken. Start dash. Okay. Also, no, you don't have to worry about it salt free. Alright, now I'm gonna put a glove on and I'm gonna pat all this seasoning down into this meat. Okay, so we have some vegetable oil in there. So what we wanna do is get a nice little sear. Cool color. So we really color each side. East side. I was gonna cut this off, this fat, but you know what? That fat is flavor. So we keep that fat on. This will make its own little grease and juice. Everything will come out. It'll be fire. I made one of these videos like some years back, like when I first started YouTube, like 4 years ago. It's been 5 years since I've been YouTube. Say 4.5 years ago, we did pulled pork video. But what I did, I threw it in the oven. I did it in the oven. But tonight we gonna do it on the pressure cooker. So if you want to use the oven, so not everybody have a pressure cooker, but if you want to use it, it's good, better on the oven. Give it a nice little color, season it up real good, give it a nice little color. You want to inject it, whatever you want to do, juices you want to use. And when I say it'll come out delicious, it'll come out delicious. Okay, so that's how we're looking right there. Nice little color on each side. We're not cooking it on the stove, we just want to give it a nice little sear. That's it, nice little color. So that's how we look right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and transfer it from the stove to the pressure cooker. Okay, we got them with the bear claws. We're gonna put the fat side down. Yeah, we'll put the fat side down. Okay. We'll add our root beer. No, you're not gonna taste soda. Not at all. So it'll come to a nice, delicious plate. Now we have our root beer and our vinegar, white vinegar. That's all we need right there. Wait, hold on. One more thing. We're going to use some of these little onions. Okay, so we have it going for 30 minutes. Pressure cooker master chef or mega chef. Alright, so we letting the pressure out. We got 30 minutes in. So once this is done, we'll go ahead and open it up and see how we looking right here in this good picture. Okay, so we're not ready yet. So we're gonna take another 30 minutes. Yeah, we're not ready yet. So my wife wanted me to use this pressure cooker. I'd rather put it in the oven. So we'll go ahead and just make it happen with the pressure cooker. All right, we'll put this meat side down now. Okay. All right, so we're gonna put it in for another 30 minutes. Okay, so this is how we looking. 3 hours later. It's nice and tender. Look at it. Going right in. So what I'm finna do now is to transfer this to my little skillet. And we're gonna take care from there. Okay. Now we just go pull pork it. Just like so. Nice and tender. That baby right. Top on there, let it cook for like 10 more minutes, and we'll get on the plate. Okay, so I drained the juice out. I don't want my buns to be soggy. We'll make some real good pulled pork sandwiches. Okay, so now we're about to put it on the plate. Can't tell me that don't look good. Okay, so here we go right here. We have our root beer pulled pork with that Mexican cheese, Mexican style blend cheese. I also cut up me some red cabbage. Added me some red cabbage on there. But that's how we looking right there. Looking good, looking good. I did my thing. That pressure cooker, it's alright. I just know it takes long to cook in it. It takes longer than a couple hours or 35 minutes. I thought it was gonna cook your dinner in like 20 minutes or something like that. A big piece of meat, 20 minutes. It took 3 hours, like an oven. You know what I mean? But other than that, your boy made it happen right here in this good kitchen with that pressure cooker. We have our root beer pulled pork. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell notification, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.